So model deployment we're doing, I guess, actually. Okay. Sorry. It's 27. All right. Let's move on. Only ma'am, we are going to start. Okay. Let us start. I will give a small little quick introduction so that I can help you actually. Before proceeding session, can I talk with online team? Is my voice is clear? Online team, I need one response from anybody. Is my voice is clear? Somebody respond. Okay, good, sir. Okay. The topic name is so-called as a machine learning model deployment. There are, there are many ways, but what is the way we are doing in a real time also? Let me talk with you. Once we prepare the ML model, then, deployment will be taken care by senior data scientist or lead from the team actually. And we should not deliver. Best example, once we prepared machine learning algorithm, then that algorithm we have to bring into the live actually. That is nothing but a, keeping into the production, keeping into what exactly? Production environment actually. That is so-called as a deployment. Fine, then think like yesterday I have given an example which is so-called as a, initially Gmail is one program, one kind of application, but they have created that application. Gmail application is a kind of some web development application. What application? Web development actually, web application. Hey, Daniel, what is a web application? So simple, a group of components. Web application can contain kind of some folder, images, HTML file, CSS file. These are all many things actually. Okay. Yeah. So Gmail is a kind of some web application. What do you mean by web application? An application which follows client and server architecture. Otherwise, an application, which we can access by using a server, by using internet connection. That is so-called as a web application actually. So purpose of the Gmail application also we covered. These are all. So almost we covered these are all things, sir. So imagine I have prepared a Gmail application. Once I have prepared Gmail application, this application I need to deploy into the server. Chapman sir, I need to deploy into server actually. Now today I need to continue from here. What is a server? Server is a program. It runs 24/7 mode. I mean to say that, every minute the server is up. If server is up actually, if server is not down, you can access an application. You can access application. We can access actually. right? There was one problem statement. That problem statement will be salary equals to experience plus test score plus what exactly, sir? Interview performance. Yeah, make a note on this one. And print equals to model plus. I hope I already explained the code also. Good. Maybe these are all steps. Let me explain individually. Good. So let me explain. First, let us just have to take this piece of code actually. Now, let me take this one. This is still okay. You can just have to copy inside of this one. Okay. Salary underscore prediction. Now, if you observe this, Tim, you can just have to delete the pickle file. Yeah, boss. Now open model.py. This is something like a demo1.py. Think like that. Yeah, good, Daniel. We are just trying to pickle to create a pickle file. The next one is so called as a pandas. The next one is so called as a linear regression. We are loading the file. Yeah, we are doing the data preparation. The next one, we are creating a class and we are preparing the model actually. Model training also done. I hope you know these are all steps. Till here, we know very well. After that, what do you mean by model deployment? Create a pickle file. Chapman sir, create a pickle file. That pickle file you have to copy in server. You have to copy, you have to configure in web application actually. Okay. Yeah. Let me repeat one more time. Being a data scientist, our role will be we need to create a pickle file. After creating a pickle file, what we need to do we need to configure pickle file in web application. In what application, sir? Web application. This is so called as a, so we are deploying web application actually. We are deploying what exactly, sir? Web application. Yeah. Fine then. Daniel, how to do that? So simple, sir. First of all, we are creating a pickle file. We are creating pickle file. And WB means binary, writing into binary format. Once after file, file will be created. Can I ask a question? Where file will be created? File ekkada create avutundi? Current directory. Very good. Once the file is being getting creating, let us just try to test either model is working or not. I mean to say that the total model knowledge we are dumping into one file. We are dumping into one file actually. Now you can use the same file to do the prediction. Yeah, we are loading. We are loading, and whenever you are loading, you have to specify the file location actually. Yeah, Daniel. Once the file is loaded, I wanted to do the prediction. Yeah, we done this, right? Let me just have to check it out. Here the pickle file name is called as a model. Pickle file name is called as a model.pkl. Come on. It is taking some little longer time. First time it will execute. Good. Team, to do the prediction, you are calling predict method. 2. I hope what is a 2? Experience. 2 years of experience. 9. Test score, I guess. The next one, interview score. Good. See, imagine this one is a client requirement. We should not ask client laptop. We have to install machine learning, ML library, pandas library, these are all. We should not run the program in his laptop every time actually. Instead of this, take this pickle file, take this what exactly, sir? Pickle file, configure in web application. Configure in what exactly? Web application. Now, please make a note on this one. Here in today's session, what do you mean by web application here, sir? That web application is representing with salary underscore prediction. Web application is representing with what exactly? Salary underscore prediction. Here static file, some templates actually. There is one program name is called as a app.py. What is the file name? App.py actually. This app.py is a web application main file. whenever you are working with this example, if you're trying to launching that application, automatically server will run. What it will run? Here I will give you one small explanation for you. Once we create pickle file, then we need to configure this file in web application actually. Web application. I hope you already written. Oh, fine then. Now let me show you. Then here, web application, we need to deploy the web application in server. Yeah, good. Web application in what exactly? Server. Now here is a server discussion. Server. Then you talk about the server. Sure, sir. Sir, simple. How to get a server? How to get what exactly server actually? This word is important. Best example in Python programming language. In Python programming language, Python programming language, we can get server by installing one framework actually. One what exactly, sir? Framework. That framework name is so called as a Flask. Chapman, sir. Flask. You have to install that actually. All right. So let me just try to tell you how to install. Pip install Flask. Pip install what exactly? Flask. And not only this one, we have other framework actually. Django. What is that? Django. Recently, Streamlit also. Streamlit. But that is only basic operations actually. In real time, we are not using. Just only, yeah. Flask, sir. Flask actually. So first what we need to do is open a command prompt. Open what exactly, sir? Command prompt. We have to install this one. How to install, pip install Flask. I already installed actually. Pip install Flask. Pip install Flask. Yeah, good. Though I have already installed, you will get an idea. Yeah, good. Hope you are able to understand. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now, once this Flask is installed, conclusion of the story, Flask is a kind of some web application. I mean, web application framework. Web application framework. Good. Now, being a data scientist, being what exactly, sir? Data scientist. Our flow will be, you should know Python and you should know Pandas and you should know ML. You should know ML and NLP, DL. These are all things actually. That's still okay. But web application developer, he should know Python. He should know Flask. He should know what? Flask. And he should know some HTML, kind of some CSS, JavaScript, CSS. The next one is JavaScript actually. These are all things he should ever actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay. Now, Daniel, who is the responsible to create a web application? No, we are not responsible. We are not responsible, right? Now, Daniel, how to start the server? Web application developer will start the server. How to start the server? Start what exactly server? So simple. You can just have to run py, run below command. Below command. What is that command name? Sir? Py app.py. Chapman, sir, py app.py. App.py. Then it is being getting running. You will get an idea. Come on, sir. Let me show you. You can just try to understand here. Let me just try to run this one. Py app.py. What do you mean by server down actually? Imagine if the server is not working in the up to the mark, then that is so called as a server is down. With respect to some application, load balancer is not working. Yeah, good. So whenever you are running this application, app.py, this who will create, sir, web application team will create actually. Now we will get this link. Let us take that link and you can just have to use here. And yeah, you will get like this actually. You have to run once. Can you tell me what you are providing actually? మీరు ఏం ప్రొవైడ్ చేశారు సార్? This one is the result, right? చెప్పండి 296. Let us provide here 296. 6 actually. Let's run this one. What is the prediction? $52,062 actually. Here also same. Answer should be same. $52,062. This would be really good. Client need this kind of application. But who will create this one? Web application team will create. That's what you need to get a clear picture. Okay? Yeah. Good. You also what we need to do is, I will explain step by step. Hold on. I will show you, sir. I will show. Not yet done. Not yet done actually. Let me explain. Today I'm going to share zip file with you. I'm going to share what? Zip file. Zip file. Come again. I already shared actually. Okay, maybe we'll see. If I have already shared, then take that backup. You can just have to take this one. Yeah, maybe this zip file I have shared with you. Copy this. You can just have to create a folder Tuesday. And here, unzip it actually. Unzip it. That's still okay. You're extracting in the same location. Then you can just have to access this one. This one is the running notes. Open this salary underscore prediction. Okay. Walk through. Open the folder. Install web application framework library. What is the library name? Pip install. If you didn't install this one, you will get a module not found error. What error, sir? Module not found error. You have to install at any cost. Daniel will not install. Sorry, your example will not work actually. Okay, the next one. You have to run this app actually. Py app.py. The moment whenever you are running this application, it will give one URL. That link it will give actually. Either you can use 127.0.1. This one is a by default port number. Otherwise, instead of that, you can use local host also. HTTP, column symbol, // and local host. I mean to say, server is running in my local machine. That is so called as a local host. That is so called as what exactly is a local host. You can take this one and you can just have to, Jordan sir, is it running? Yeah, it is running. You can use this. It is working. It is working. Okay. Either you can use this. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Either you can use the first one or second one actually. Anything is fine. Okay. You are getting, I guess, the next one. Now, Daniel, so this is the way. How we deployed our ML model actually. Here there are some teams you have to be understand. Listen carefully. There are some teams. How we can deploy actually. Sir, any software company, these are all teams. The first team is called as the UI team. UI. What is the UI, you know? User interface team. Yeah, user interface team. Next one, user interface team responsibility. They should know HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS, AngularJS, iOS are many. But being a data scientist, do I need to know? No need to know. You no need to work actually. But don't even work also. Why? Because if you are showing more interest towards to this one, you will not get ML work actually. You will not get ML work. Okay. Middleware team. This one will be the Java team, .NET and PHP. DB team, database team. I told right. Sir, in software company, let me tell you, there are different teams. It's not only data science team. Before us, these are all teams who we have. Big data team, data engineer. So Python plus Pandas plus PySpark, they should have a ML team, machine learning, kind of some engineer, creating model section. I'm sorry. ML model, machine learning engineer. So ML team, their main role will be, that guys also called as ML engineer. Their main role will be creating a model. Data scientist team, these guys will analyze the model actually. So think like these guys know end to end. Python, Pandas, machine learning, these are all things actually. Now counter questions here, it will start. Who will start the server? Middleware team or development team will start the server. Starting server is not our role. I'm repeating again. Starting server is not our role actually. Starting server. Either cloud team also. If your work is belongs to the cloud actually, then production, then cloud team. We have a separate cloud engineers actually. Who will create a web application? Chappan sir, UI team plus middleware team. Okay, UI team plus middleware team. Siddiq Sarji, yesterday you asked a question, right? Who is the responsible to create a web application? So web application, UI team plus middleware team, they both will involve actually. Yeah. Now, who will analyze and confirm the model deployment? Data scientist will analyze actually. Different types of servers. So in company, development server, dev server, testing server, staging server, and production server actually. Different servers would have. This one is a live environment. This is so called as a live environment. Before that, these are all kind of some trial and error testing environments actually. First one is what, sir? development server, dev server, testing server. This is get ready. The application is going to into the production. Before that, they will do one more thing that is so called as a staging. Here, different companies, they will maintain S1, S2, S3, S4, up to them actually, up to them. Okay. Now, I hope I already explained yesterday. So www.nirikshan.com, I have created my own website. I bought a domain. I have created a web application. I deployed into the server. Now that application is running actually. In GoDaddy server, I have to deploy. I have deployed yearly. I need to pay some money. For ML model, who will provide the server? Sir, Django, web application middleware, Django. This is Django, but D is the silent Django. The next one, Flask. Next one, Streamlit. Streamlit also you can say. These are all. Above frameworks by default provide what exactly, sir? Server, right? So I have faced this question many times. Model.pkl. You know, what is a pickle file, sir? I hope you already know. This pickle file we need to give to the web application team. Our task will be done. Our task will be done. Web application team will configure this pickle file in where exactly, sir? Application. Can I show you that application today? Now in your application, what we need to do is app.py. Good. Yeah, fine. So look at my screen. These guys are importing NumPy, Flask, and Pickle actually. They're still okay. Any idea? This line is so called as a. Frankly speaking, this is not our role actually. What is this? Any idea? Object creation. Very good. This one is a class actually. Yeah, good. Now pickle.load. They are loading the file. They are loading what, sir? They are loading file. What file they are loading actually? Pickle file. Yeah, RB. In the sense, read mode actually. So they are creating a function. This is called as a function. Even this is called as a function actually. Not required. You don't need to be understand. Sir, this is so called as a decorator. What is the topic name? Decorator. During interview, I will cover actually interview discussion. Karthik Garu, this is the code. Who is responsible? Web application team, they takes care about these are all things actual. This is not our task. Okay. Underscore name. So this is something like one of the predefined attribute, madam, actually. So especially in terms of this one, we no need to be understand. But there is a one important interview point actually, important discussion. Did I covered or not? I'm not sure. Important discussion about underscore NAME and underscore MAN. Did I cover this? Okay. Let me cover now. Let me cover actually. Important. Hold on, I will cover. No limitation, sir. Siddiq Sarji. The motto will be web application is a different, ML is a different actual. There is no limitation. I'm not sure in terms of what you're expecting actually. Okay. Okay. So first let me cover this topic actually. This topic would be Chapan sir, what is the topic name? Underscore NAME and underscore main. Okay. Few point you have to understand. First of all, let me explain the practical discussion. Let me explain about the practical discussion. Then you will understand about these all things actually. Underscore NAME and underscore main or predefined attributes. Predefined what exactly? Predefined variables also you can tell. Chapan sir, predefined variables. Where we are using, Daniel, where we are using this? Let's take one live example actually. You'll get an idea. Please make a note on this. Sir, I need your help. Get ready to understand. All right. There is a folder. Folder name is called as a coding. Empty file as of now. Empty folder as of now. Let's open Notepad. DEF addition operation. A comma B. Addition is A plus B. Addition. 10 comma 20. Save this example. Prasad.py. Listen carefully, everybody. Go to the desktop and go to the coding edge. Very good. Sir, I'm sure. Can I run this code actually? What is output chapter? What output you are going to get? Yeah, addition is what exactly? 30. Very basic example, we know very well. Now, same kind of function, even I wanted to call in my program, then what we need to do? You can import Prasad. You can access addition. Am I right? First of all, here I have created a function and I'm calling here actually. Same kind of functionality, even I wanted to do actually. Now, then, can I call directly addition actually? No. Can I call directly like addition? Now here 10, 20, right? Now here I wanted to give 30, 40. What is the expected output? 30, 40 is output also. Yeah, 70. Good. Hold on. Let's save this one. Nirikshan.py. Nirikshan. What exactly? Py. Let's move on. First of all, we'll get error, sir. Why will get error actually? Because name error. Okay. So minimize this. Then what we need to do? We can just have to access. Chappan sir, how to access? Import. Chappale import addition. Import what? Addition. Sir, there is one small limitation here. Let me tell you. Oh, sorry, sir. Not addition. Chappan sir. Prasad. After you are importing Prasad, Prasad dot addition. Am I right? Good. Sir, what exactly happened, you know? The moment whenever you are importing the Prasad, automatically function call also happen. I'm expecting output will be 70, but previous output also will get actually. This is seriously surprise. See, expected output is this one, but Prasad output also coming actually. Did you understand? Then I call to Prasad. Anna, you have created a function. I like that function. Even I need that function. Then he told import Prasad module and you can just have to call addition actually. Then I told, yeah, I done same thing. But what I'm getting, you know, I don't know. I'm getting my output. I'm getting other output also. I'm getting other output also. Then what we need to do? Whenever you are importing Prasad module actually, there in Prasad module addition function is calling. I wanted to stop that. I wanted to stop that. First of all, did you understand? Good. Let me tell you how to stop. Let me tell you, sir, how to stop. How to stop, you know, if underscore 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 equals to 1 minute, I need to cross verify. Perfect. Your problem fixed actually. I will tell you. No surprise. It's a very simple. Whenever you are calling a function, ensure that function calling you have to keep inside one piece of the code actually. This piece of the code will be, hey boss, if underscore underscore NAME, I mean, if you are running this program like a main module, let me just try to run Prasad actually here. Let me just try to run what exactly sir Prasad. I'm getting output actually. Now let me just try to run Nirikshan. Yes, I'm getting proper output actually. Conclusion of the story, what exactly happened, you know, sir? Imagine if anyone is importing this module, stop executing this function. This is the piece of the code actually. Stop executing the function call in other module. Stop executing the function call in what exactly? Can I tell you one more example? మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Good, hold on. This is so called as a first one prasad.py. This is you have to practice, then only you will understand, sir. Oh sir, మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అప్పుడే అర్థమవుతుంది. Then the next one would be nirikshan.py. Why these many files, Daniel? All right. Let's delete everything. One minute. Anyway, that is some supporting file you can ignore, not required. Wow, that is working. Okay. Put back to the session. Delete this. Let's move on. Create a folder. Folder name is called as a coding. What is the folder name, sir? Coding. That's okay, Daniel. First to create a file. File name is called as a Prasad. DAF convert actual. Provide one parameter and here convert. So here you can just have to, I'm sorry, a dot upper, a dot what exactly upper, and here convert of what I'm passing, sir, kind of some Kumar I'm passing. Now what is output Chapman, sir? Uppercase letter. Okay, good. Save this example and prasad.py. Nice. That's it. Minimize it and you can just have to call coding actually. I'm sorry. You can just have to come here, sir. You can execute this example. Prasad.py. Now I have seen Prasad module. I called to Prasad. I told, sir, in your module, you have created a function. Even I wanted to call the same function. I wanted to call. If you call same function, what happened, sir? By default, Kumar executes. What executes? Let's do that. Practical ga చూడండి. Import Prasad. Then Prasad dot convert. Very good. Raju. What is expected output? All are uppercase. Raju is uppercase. I'm expecting. But automatically I will get Kumar. I called to Prasad and I asked who is Kumar actually. Did you understand, sir? Then Prasad he got an idea. Why he asked this question? Okay, my function also triggered. Now here is a story. The one who created a module, if anybody is trying to importing this module, that function calling we need to stop. A function మనం అక్కడే stop చేయాలి. Then you have to write a small piece of code actually. What is that small piece of code, sir? See, I expected Raju. I'm thinking, who is Kumar actually? Right? Then I called to Prasad and I told, Anna, I'm getting proper output, but there is a small glitch in your program. There is an issue. He asked, what is the issue? I'm getting Kumar output also. Then he understand, okay, my function call should not impact other module actually. Then let us just have to use. How to do that one, sir? ఎలా చేయాలో తెలుసా? Come here. Just you need to add one piece of code. If underscore name, then this block of the code, it will be not called to somebody actually. Underscore main. Yeah. Now run the code. ఇప్పుడు code run చేయండి. Yeah, very good. You understand, I guess. Okay. Yeah. We have a theory. We have a document for this. I will share the document. Don't worry. Prasad.py and see, these two are predefined attribute, predefined variables, man. Predefined variables actually. We have a material. I will share that material. Kindly please walk through actually. Okay. Yeah. What is this underscore? Do you wanted to know more about underscore actually? Good. Let me tell you. Whenever you are using dir function, did you remember dir of something? By default, you will get underscore name underscore main actually. By default, these are all predefined attributes, predefined parameter. Pure Python developer, they will get an idea. But being a data scientist, that is still okay. Online team, did you understand, sir? Can I get a response from you? I need one response from anybody. So that is about the model deployment. We have to do little R&D, you will get an idea. Now with your permission, let us make it, this one is a running topic. What is SN main? Sir, are you asking about underscore name actually? I have a material I will share. Yeah. That is a predefined variable. Those two are called as a predefined variable. Predefined variable. So imagine if you wanted to know more actually. Let's create some empty module. Empty module. Nothing I didn't written. Save this one. Demo1.py equals to 10. df m1. df what exactly? M1. M1. Hello. Now do one thing. Print of dir of, don't pass anything. Do you know about this? If you are not passing anything, any idea? Current module you are checking. In current module, how many variables, how many functions would you have? You are checking actually. dir of, if it is a empty, you are asking about the current module discussion. Yes, see. Sir, look at my screen. Yeah, a variable m1 function. Did you notice underscore name, sir? By default, this one is a predefined variable. The value will be underscore man actually. Okay. We have our material. I can pass the material. You can easy to understand actually. Hope you understand. All right. I can make it. This one is a running topic. Okay, let me continue. This is under deep learning, sir. The first one would be. Okay. The next topic would be easy. Computer vision, short name is also called as a CV. What is that name? CV. Let me short this. I know the heading is such a long one, but it's very easy. Let me read. Let's open material. Follow our material. I'm shorting. What is the topic name? Computer vision. Now here we are mostly playing with images, audio, video. Japan sir, images, audio, video. This kind of data actually. We are going to playing with images. First of all, computer vision. Let me tell you human vision. Human vision means we are all humans, we are seeing with our eyes. That is called as a vision. Sorry, sir. That is called as a vision. But computer vision means computer is seeing. Quite interesting. If computer see what happened, I will explain. Computer vision is a subfield of deep learning. CV is subtopic in a deep learning actual. This one is not separate topic. It is a subtopic in A. By using this, human can teach. By using this, human can teach computers to see and interpret the world around them actually. Wow. Imagine by using this computer vision, being a human, we can just have to guide to the computer. Hey, computer, you can see actually. Simple. Computer vision means models. Chappan sir? Models. These are all again models topic actually. Machine learning having the models, deep learning having the models, this one also models, but neural network models. What models, sir? Neural network models actually. Neural network. Okay? Yeah. Look at the small diagram. If you look at this diagram, please observe here. Think like this one is a brain, this one is our eye. We are looking at one bowl image actually. Then automatically, by using that eye, we are seeing the objects actually. Then automatically the information will see seeing device responsible for capturing the images on environment actually. Our eye having the responsible, that responsible will be, we are looking at the objects and automatically information will pass to the brain. Information will be passed to brain actually. I mean our eye and brain having the interlink actually. Now our brain will do analysis. What is that analysis? You know, okay, the bowl contain kind of fruits, oranges, bananas, blah blah blah. These are all things actually. Am I right or not, sir? Right? Can you tell me what is this? Eye. What is this one? Brain. We are getting right information. This one is a human vision system. Human vision system. Now the same structure I wanted to create in a computer vision. Then what we need to do, you know, sir? Though here how eye is helping actually, and here cam is helping. What is a cam? Camera. Okay. Kind of some device is required. All right. So through this device, computer can see. Inside this computer, CV module will be helpful for us. What module? I'm sorry, CV models. Chappan sir, CV models, computer vision models will interpret it. Here CV models are like a brain. CV models are like a brain actually, brain. It works automatically. Pre-trained models actually. Yeah, Daniel, this one is input. Sensing device, it will just try to sense actually. The next one, interpreting the device. I mean to say here, computer vision models are available. Then automatically this model will respond like, you know, these are all source. A best example, sir. In your mobile, you can take a selfie, group of picture actually, group photo you can take. Automatically in your mobile, there are some models. It will circle your face actually, human face. Am I right or not, sir? That is backend model, especially CV model actual. Okay. This one is a computer vision system. Computer vision system. History of computer vision. You know it to be understand, but there are some quite interesting stories, not now, upcoming session. Machine vision or computer vision inspired by animal vision. Yeah, good. Initially, it was inspired by animal vision, 1959. Advance in technology actually. These are all key milestone. So AI in 1960s, OCR. Chappan sir, what is that? OCR. Optical character recognition actually in 1974, and complex topics like a 2000. The flow is initially they started with image recognition. Inside image, what all things are available. Then it is move on with the complex topics actually. These are all important, sir. Chappan sir, what is the first one? Object identification. Next one, facial recognition, image segmentation, image classification. One more time. Object identification, facial recognition, image segmentation, image classification. Hold on. ఒక్కసారి ఒక్క నిమిషం వెయిట్ చేయండి. Look at the diagram. You will, yeah. Look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. Common computer vision task. Classification. What do you mean by classification? You have to separate. So this is what? Cat. Right. Now next one will be detection. Imagine in the given image, where are all objects would you have? We have to highlight with the box. We have to highlight with. That is something like a detecting. What is that? Detect. You are just trying to detecting actually. Detecting. I mean, we are recognizing where exactly object would you have. Gold mining, gold mining actually. They can use the detector. They can use metal detector actually. When they keep the here and it will do the sound actually, then they are detected actually. Same here, like image detection, object detection. This one is a cat, this one is a dog. Seriously, very good actually. Segmentation in the sense, Daniel, do one thing. You can just say to, I just need, go to the YouTube and thumbnail actually. What is that one, sir? That person pictures, it will be highlight actually. That is so called as segmentation. What is that? Segmentation actually, segmentation. Okay. Go back, now you will understand. Yeah, these are all tasks we can do. Object identification, facial recognition, image segmentation, image classification. These are all things we can do. This is a little history. It's not much important, but this one is important, sir. A separate topic we would have. Can you read this one? LXNet. One more time. LXNet. Initially, it was started in 1956. AI term introduced actually. The next one kind of some neuropsychology. 1960s first computer vision project with MIT University actually, right? And AI Winter. There was one more project. Uh, Face detection. Chapan sir, what is this? Face detection. This is quite interesting. Imagine there is a computer. That computer is seeing the image. Inside that image, human faces would you have. In that image, it contains human faces. It's supposed to recognize. It's supposed to recognize. That is a separate project actually. Then LXNet. This is very, very important. We have a separate discussion. చదవండి సార్ వన్ మోర్ టైం LXNet actually. Remember this. మనం దీని మీద వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాం actually. How computer vision work? Simple. There are three topics. Acquiring an image, either audio, video or anything actually image. Next one, processing image. Chappan sir. Processing image. Next one, understanding the image. First one, acquiring, processing, understanding. No, please understand this diagram. Yeah, Daniel. To acquire the image, we need one device. To acquire the image, so imagine even if it is a video in the sense group of images, group of frames. Chappan sir, group of frames actually, right? First of all, it's supposed to acquire an image. Images, even large sets of can be acquired in a real time. So photos are 3D technology for analysis actually. The next one will be once it is captured, processing the image. In that image, what it contain exactly? Either it contains some objects or humans. These are all things it will recognize actually. It takes in care. It will be taken care. Computer vision model, it will be taken care actually. Next one is what's up? Understanding image. Understanding image. All right. There are mainly three steps actually. Sir, simple. Maybe this topic I already covered during ML actually. Image means pixels. Group of pixels. Cheppandi. Group of pixels. An image is a group of pixel. Computer process images as a pixel of arrays actually. Computer vision uses, okay, linear algebra for simple task and CNN. I will tell you what is this. Convolution with pooling for complex task actually. Look at this one actually. Quite interesting. Imagine this one is a number 3. If you closely observe, if you are doing the zooming actually, automatically what happen, sir? Pixel number 1, pixel number 2, pixel number 3, pixel number 4. Somewhere in a machine learning, we already worked this scenario actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Yeah, 1 minute. Online team, hold on. Yeah, please understand this. So think like there is human face, which is kind of some grayscale and blur image. I hope you already know. Even though in this blur image, look at this one, every square brackets, a square box actually representing backend with kind of some pixel number actually. So make a note on this one. Can I ask you one question? Why 0? Because that pixel, the location is nothing actually. That object, it cannot contain any location actually. Okay. Online team, I trust you guys are following, sir. I need one response from anybody. Name value is the main, sir. So just now I have seen your question. Okay. Okay. I forget to read the heading actually. Computer vision. Chadona sir idi. ILSVRC. Daniel, what it is? Hold on. And what is this one? Data set. The next one, RESTnet. LXnet like that, RESTnet would have actually. RESTnet, residual neural network actually. Good, these are all common computer vision tasks. First one is a classification. Next one is a detection, segmentation, face recognition, edge detection. These are all we do have actually. We are working. It's a very simple task. We are working. Yeah. Let us spend some time. Let us spend some time. Let us understand this topic actually very clearly. Come on, sir. Can we work on this? Human recognition system. Being a human, Daniel, how we can recognize actually? Good. Let me tell you. Image recognition means a computer or machine can see or observe the images actually. Okay. This is something like how our eyes works. First of all, let us try to understand how our eyes are working. Then you will understand how computer vision is working actually. How computer vision is working. If you see an image, then automatically it splits into the parts of image actually. Oh, look at this one. Think like this one is image we are seeing, sir. This one is image. With our eyes we are seeing actually. Then what happened, We thought like directly we are seeing the bird actually. No, 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 no. Within fraction of nanoseconds, the total image, it will be divided into like a frames actually. I mean to say that part number one, split number one, split number two, split number three, split number four, split number five, like a group of splits actually. And immediately within the nanoseconds, it will be what exactly, sir? It will be all these parts. What I can say, there is a one good word actually. Imagine if you wanted to buy a laptop, a computer actually, assemble. I'm sorry. What is that word actually? Assemble. Assemble in the sense, a part number one, part number two, part number three, part number four. According to that order, it will be assembled actually, right? So if you see an image, then automatically it splits into the parts of image. It splits into what exactly, sir? Parts of image. Sir, in the next step, our eyes can analyze subparts individually. Seriously, very good. That we cannot sense also. మనకు తెలియదు ఆ విషయం. But it will do that activity. Our eyes having that vision. By yeah. That word is here actually. By assembling these parts, our eyes process and interpret what exactly is our image. I need your help actually. First, what it will do? Splits. Then what it is splitting actually, it will analyze. Yes, it will analyze. Then later process, later interpret actually. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. The same process was implemented with, there is a topic name is called as a CNN. What is the topic name, sir? How our eyes are working. Same thing like that. There is a topic. The topic name is called as a CNN, convolution neural network. Convolutional neural network. Talk with me. Convolutional neural network actually. Okay. Yeah. These are the images. Parts of images. Nice, sir. Our eye vision is seriously awesome actually. There is a small little introduction I will give actually. 1 minute. Just give me few minutes. Okay, let me walk through. We are in right direction. Did I run these projects? Previously, did I explain actually? Just I have run in front of you. Okay. Good. Can you tell me, sir, what is the library name? The library name is so called as a computer vision. In short, it's called as CV actually, computer vision. Do you want it to work with pandas? You have to install pip install pandas. Do you want it to work with NumPy? Pip install? NumPy. Anyway, it is the default if you install pandas. Do you want to work with matplotlib actually? Chappan sir, pip install matplotlib. Do you want to work with machine learning actually? Then you have to install pip install scikit-learn. Now Daniel, why you are telling this? Do you want to work with computer vision actually? Yeah, Daniel. Then you have to install pip install OpenCV. What is that, sir? Open-CV actually. This way how to install. One more time. OpenCV actually. It is a free OpenCV. We are going to install. Don't worry. I will help you. Yeah. Back to the session. How our eye vision is working. There is one topic. The topic name is called as a CNN. There are two types of introduction I will cover. One is a short introduction. Next one is a long, kind of some long introduction. Please understand the short introduction. CNN is type of deep learning model. When you're talking about the CNN, it is one of the topic in deep learning actually. Okay, Daniel, we understand. This is commonly used for image recognition and classification tasks. Okay, hold on, sir. Let me tell you. Did you remember? When I'm talking about the deep learning, there are three main important topics. What are those? First one, ANN. The next one, CNN. Okay, RNN. RNN. The next one is called as what exactly? CNN. CNN. Can I tell you, when you're talking about AN, all ML tasks we can do. All ML tasks we can do actually. We can do like a numerical data. RNN, sir, text to data we can apply. Text to data processing. Text to data processing, exactly something like NLP. NLP actually. CNN. Hey, Daniel, I wanted to work with image data set. What data set, sir? Image data set, or else especially what exactly, sir? Video, and next one is what exactly? Audio. These are all things you need to be understand, sir. Okay. Now, CNN is type of deep learning model. This is commonly used for image recognition and classification tasks. The main parts in a CNN, first convolution layer. What layer? Convolution layer. The next one, pooling layer. The next one, fully connected layer. There would have it some different layers actually. First one, convolution layer. Next one, pooling layer. Next one, fully connected layer actually. How our eye vision is working, it will work in the same way. Think like, let us take one small image, and here it will start observe like a pixel by pixel actually, right? So this pixel, it will like one image, this pixel, next image, this pixel, next image, this pixel, next image. These are all almost group of pixels, man. Those are all called as a convolutions. Chappan sir? Convolutions actually. Then automatically, it's not only this one, it will still zoom in actually. It will still point each and every number, kind of some pixel, which is so called as a polling. Finally, it will create a neural network actually. It will create what exactly, sir? Are you talking about the deep learning? The backbone topic is called as a neural network. NN. What is the topic name? NN actually. Chappan sir? Input image, convolutions. It will still apply the zooming, pooling layer actually, fully connected network actually. Hold on. Chappan. No. Pixel is nothing but a number. When the neural network started processing, then weights it will be generated actually. For every input, there is a weight. Every input, there is a weight actually. Hold on. It is touch sensitive. Okay, a small little introduction I will give. The point will be, Daniel, what do you mean by convolution layer? What do you mean by convolution layer? It is a theory, but try to understand. Oh, the next topic is quite interesting. Okay, so this page, let us just have to move on. Good. Talk with me. Convolution layer. In this layer, the input image is convolved. What do you mean by that? In math, combine one function or group of functions actually with a set of learnable filters, also called as a kernels actually. Sir, simple sir. When you're talking about the convolution layer, backend the math is being getting involving. It is working very closely with the every pixel actually. Every pixel. Okay. Every filter extract different features from the input image. So let me tell you. If you closely observe here, this is the image, right? And here math function it will work. Each and every image it will capture actually. And wherever all the shadow is available, it will capture and it will just try to generate the numbers actually. Every filter extract the different features from the input image by performing element-wise multiplication and summation operation actually. Whenever you're talking about the NN, that operation is important. A kind of did you remember? Inputs are multiplying with weights, the next one will be summation with bias, then summation function. Did you remember, sir? This thing is going to happen. The next one is so-called as a pooling layer. What layer? This pooling layer reduces the size of the input size. How it is helpful, you know? Imagine one pixel number is the 1, another pixel number is 255. There is a very large, right? The difference is very big actually. Then input layer work like a scale in the data. What is that? Scale in actually. Imagine, you know, it will keep the values in between some number actually. Pooling layer reduce the size of the input data. Taking sir, I thought I forgot to tell one thing. I forget to tell one thing. Not all companies having computer vision projects. Chapter sir, one more time. Not all companies are having. Imagine, let us take it, there are some 10 companies actually. First point, if there are some 10 companies, I can give guarantee 10 out of 10, they should have a ML projects first. What projects, man? ML project. Out of 10, 2 companies may having a computer vision projects. What projects actually? Computer vision. That is depends upon the requirement. If the client is expecting, if the client is having video data, image data, audio data, they need to work with the computer vision. They need to work with, but being a junior, first stage you will get ML project actually. What project, sir? ML, any company. Imagine I have my own startup company. You join in my company. I never give computer vision project directly actually. First of all, you should get a hands-on on ML. If you're comfortable with the ML, then, you know, company will give a chance to work with the CV, a kind of some computer vision actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? గుడ్. Company separately they will give the training. Separately will train actually. We'll train the candidates. We'll train the candidates on computer vision. Okay, back to the session. Where are you? I'm sorry. A pooling layer reduces the size of input by taking the either minimum or average value for the small regions. This makes the network faster and helps to prevent what exactly, man? Overfitting. Simple. So, fully connected layer, right? It connects every neuron in the previous neuron to every neuron in the next layer. That's what I mean to say. Fully connected layer in the sense, you know, sir. One neuron is supposed to connect with all neighbor neurons. All neurons actually. This layer lends global feature actually, right? So, these are all steps. CNN having the different layers, Daniel. What are these main tasks actually? Every layer can learn and deliver each task actually. Think like the first layer can learn, detect basic adjacent shapes actually. Think like, I'm talking about the first layer. This layer can understand where are all edges, where are all objects, you know, it will learn actually. Second layer can recognize these more detailed features actually. Okay, second layer will learn few more information. Third layer can recognize the parts of objects actually. Best example, this is something like a teamwork. Layer number 1, layer number 2, layer number 3, layer number 4. All these layers works together. They will finish the task actually. This learning process helps in the neural network to build what exactly, sir? Detailed understanding of the data actually. Okay. This one is a short introduction. During example, I can give one more topic actually. This one is important, sir. I will start today. What is the topic name, చెప్తారా? ImageNet. Very, very important, sir. Chala important actually. Let us have a small quick introduction today. We'll continue tomorrow. Good. I'm go back. There is no computer vision. Imagine there is no computer vision. Those days I'm talking actually. Once upon a time, there was a small story. Once upon a time, in the year of 2000 years, like 2001, 2002, 2003, now we are in 2025. We are in, go back to the before 25 years back actually. before 25 years back. A brilliant researcher, that madam name is a Fifi Lee. Madam actual, Fifi Lee. Do you wanted to see her profile? Yeah, so here you can just have to see the profile. And this one is a madam Wikipedia. You can just have to see. All right. This one is a profile. In your free time, you can kindly please walk through. Good. All right. So Stanford. All right. So please make a note. I will tell you why suddenly this madam introduction. Topic is a computer vision, right? Why madam came in between actually? Hold on. She had an idea. Okay. Computer vision started from, her idea actually. She had an idea. That idea is just like a human learns by seeing countless objects actually. We are all humans. Trust me. We are learning by looking at different objects actually. Best example that is a chair. Imagine whenever you are looking at that chair in our brain, automatically you can't believe uh, our brain can capture everything actually. Simple, our brain is taking the photo of every object. It will take the photo and it can remember actually. When it is needed, it will process. Best example, by looking at that image, how I am telling that is a, by looking at this chair, how I am telling that is a chair actually, previously my brain already knows actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Now read the story. She had an idea. Just a human lens by seeing countless objects and sense through their lives. Yeah. We are seeing and we are sensing. Okay, then we are moving actually. Same thing like that. What is her idea? If a computer can see, this is awesome. Can I create a computer? Computer can see the world actually. That is her idea actually, right? And computer see and understand the world like a humans. This is super. So here needed vast amount of the data. Did you understand the point actually? Let me explain one more time. Maluk sir explain చేస్తాను చూడండి. Let us take a Daniel. 34 years actually. 34 years. In my whole 34 years, in my whole 34 years, my past history, sir, I'm telling thousands of objects we have seen. Objects I have seen actually. Objects. What do you mean by that? Kind of some chairs I have seen. The next one, fans I have seen. Cars I have seen. What do you mean by that? Bikes. The next one, cycle. Sir, water bottle. Many things actually. These are all things I have seen. Am I right? I would like to say this is nothing but a data. Chappan sir, this is nothing but a. Am I right? Best example, you are seeing the cars actually. All cars is nothing but a data. Now, how a Daniel learned from the data, so Daniel learned from all above objects, all above what exactly objects actually, which is so called as a data, which is so called as what exactly data. Then he can recognize later. He is recognizing. He is what exactly, sir? Recognizing now actually, now everything. Everything actually. Sir, same thing like that. Let us take a computer. Let us take a computer. So think like I wanted to make it. Computer can see actually. Computer can what exactly, sir? Is it possible? Possible. Do you wanted to make it computer can see actually? For a human, can you tell me what is need actually? Same thing like that for a computer, data is needed actually. What is needed, sir? Data is needed. That's what you need to be understand. Now she got an idea. That idea will be, can I make it computer can see? Yeah, but here we need lot of data. What is that? Lot of data actually, right? So all this, yeah, these are all data is required actually. These are all data is required. Data is required. Once she get a data, she get what exactly, sir? Data. Inside computer, she can store the data. Computer, she can store the data actually. Store what exactly, sir? Store the data. Then she can create a CV model actually. Now computer can see. Computer can what exactly, sir? See. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? I will tell you the process how it is going to happen. If you wanted to make it computer can see, first of all collect the data. What we need to do? Collect the data. The collected data store into a computer. Then there are few models. That models is called as a CV. CV in the sense computer vision models. As I told you, go to the machine learning. A data cannot work itself actually. Machine learning plus data, you can do the prediction. You can do prediction actually. Here also, data plus CV model, computer can see actually. Computer can what exactly, sir? See. Right. Sir, now what happened, you know? She and her team aim to create a ImageNet actually. Let me tell you, we are all humans. On in our life, when we are moving, we can see here and there objects actually. Now she need data, right? What she done, you know, sir? She had a team. Think like a 10 members actually. She buy 10 cameras to everyone. What is that? 10 cameras. First person, she is giving the task. Do one thing. Take a 10 days time. Take where are all kind of some fans. Where are all fan actually. 3 wings fan, 4 wings fan. Take a pictures. That too in different dimension. That too in different dimension and different angle actual. First person task will be take a picture of fans. Almost you have to take minimum 10,000 pictures actual. Second person task, take a AC fans. Third person task, take a hen, kind of some dog, cat. These are all images actually. She started collecting the data like that. Though she started collecting the data like that, sir, the millions, how many images she collected, you know, million of images she collected. Then she created one folder. That folder name is called as a, Chapan sir, what is the folder name? ImageNet actually. That's what you need to, do you wanted to see that data actually? You can click on this one and here you can see the whole data actually. Yeah, ImageNet, right? Oh my God. Sir, seriously, how many images actually? చెప్తారు ఒకట్లు పదులు వందలు వేలు 10,00,000 10,00,000 కోటి 1,41,000 images actually. Did you understand? Yeah. Why she collected images actually? For her requirement, data is required. What is the requirement? I wanted to make it computer can see. Then collect the data first actually, right? So this I can continue tomorrow. Quite interesting. Don't miss tomorrow session. Yeah, labeling actually. There is another headache task actually. Labeling and segmentation. Okay. Hmm? Yeah, yes, boss. I have shared actually. Previously, I have taken part number 1. Did you remember? That is a continuation actually. Am I right? Ma'am, let me tell you. Last week I have taken one session and now I have shared with you that is a recorded session. When it will be, that is not for you guys actually. I mean, I have taken it for other batch and I have dropped this one in Google Classroom actually. You understand, I guess, right? Oh, you thought like I have taken live session, you are missing. No, 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 I'm sorry. No, no. Generally, let me tell you the pattern will be advanced topics, Gen AI, Agentic AI, RAG, the next one LLM. During weekend, I can take actually. During weekend, I can take and I can share those recording sessions. So that would be great helpful for me. Okay. Oh, now I understand. Without informing, I have uploaded, right? You thought like, you guys thought like this is not ours. Common session, right, sir? That is a common session. That's what I have. I may not deliver everybody individually. Thank you. We done today's session. We'll connect again tomorrow.